and find another lover. Hope. Working full-time on the minimum wage can cover all the needs to pay, and drowning in the weight of everything, and love is cloaked in shadows of doubt. With blood, persuading the only way out. Only love can stop the blood. Will we ever blindly love? Will we ever blindly love the way we blindly spill our love? Another verdict for a minor drug crime sends a person to prison hard time. Just need a chance to rehabilitate, but the money's only made when we incarcerate. Privatized prisons create lifelong slaves, and love